Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to iPhone 15. Begin by opening App Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up. I will start with iPhone 15. In the Library pop-up, select Allow Full Access. Then, in two other ones, select wherever you wish to. So in my case, in Activity 1, ask app not to track. And in Notifications, don't allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by hitting OK. Now on an Apple device, allow full access. Ask app not to track, just in my case. And allow or don't allow in Notifications window. Over here, choose Not Now, or don't click on it at all and hit OK. If you see this window about notification settings, just tap on Cancel. Finally, you can choose Send at the bottom left corner of Apple device and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of iPhone 15. Then, using all of those categories available at the top of Apple device, select all of your files that you wish to send, like photos, videos, contacts after clicking OK in the pop-up, and even files. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on iPhone 15. Then allow camera access in the pop-up. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code to connect. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!